There are so many different options out there for countertop oven units that do so many different functions. Hey guys, I'm Elizabeth. We're gonna take a quick look today at the Ninja double oven and I'll show you all the features. Let's get into it. I love that you get a quick reference guide. It also has all kinds of recipes. So what's really cool about this double oven is that you can sync up the top and the bottom so that if you have something that takes a long time and something that's quick, you can sync them up, and this instruction book will show you how, so they finish at the same time. You don't have to do back-to-back cooking anymore with this device. You can also buy so many different recipe books for this particular unit online. Now let's look at the unit itself. So it's got this awesome double door. You push the button and it releases just the top, so you can bring your foods in and out. They call this the rapid top oven, and it will do family-size sheet meals. You click the top door back into place like that, and then you grab the whole thing without pushing the button, and that will open the entire oven for you. Now this bottom is the convection and the air fry oven. So this is your air fry basket. It just happened to come packaged in the top. And then you've got these great cookie sheet type oven pans. You'll put them in wherever you need them with your oven rack. Let's say we're doing a sheet meal on top, we would put that in, and we're air frying on the bottom. There we go. Again, to get only the top open, you'll push the button and open just the top part, and then you'll open just like a regular traditional oven door without pushing the button to open the whole shebang. Let's look up close at those controls. All right, here's the controls. For the top, we have the option to do broil, toast, bagel, bake, reheat, and keep warm. Here's the different buttons you can push. I don't have it plugged in just yet. The Smart Finish button right here is what will sync up your top and bottom to finish at the same time. And then on the bottom, we can do a whole roast, air fry, convection bake, pizza, and dehydrate. Again, with the control buttons, here's the dial to select. This will be a display up here that I'll show you here shortly when I get it plugged in. There's the light, and there's the power button. Super simple and intuitive controls. Let's go ahead and get it plugged in so you can see that part. All right, I moved it over to where it's closer to an outlet. So let's go ahead and power it on. You can see it in action. Hello. There's the light on the inside, on, and a smooth off. On, smooth off. Let's go ahead and turn it on. Here's the dial that you can select both time and function. So let's say we're going to do air fry, and we want to do that for 25 minutes. We'll hit start to get that going. And the top, I think I had it defaulted to 5 minutes because it's on broil. You definitely want to leave some space on the back for ventilation. There's ventilation spots on the sides as well. So you just want to make sure to give this unit lots of room so it can breathe. I will also say that it's a heavy machine. So some toaster oven combo units are made to come out when you need them, get put away, super light and portable. That's not this. This is probably made to stay. So you can get it out and move it around. It's just a little bit of a chore. So it's not something that, realistically, it's not something that you will take on and off the countertop on a daily basis by any means. It's not like a toaster where you can take that toaster out and put it away as you need it. This thing's going to stay where you put it for a little while. All right, so it's still preheating. You can hear how loud it is. It's really not too bad. I would actually say it's quieter than my current air fryer. I have one of those original big Mondo original model air fryers. It's huge. It's the size of a KitchenAid mixer, big. And so far, this is quieter than that for sure. So I'll go ahead and just do a test. See how warm it's getting. Oh, it's definitely warming up quickly. That's amazing. And then again, if you just want to get into the top, if you've got something cooking for longer term on the bottom and you need to get in and out of the top in this rapid cooktop, you can do that. Just take your item in or out as you need to. You push the Smart Finish button and depending on the recipe you're using, you would follow the instructions on when to start, when to stop, what temperatures to use, and you'll use the Smart Finish button to sync it all up. Overall, I can already tell this is a well-made product. I'm excited to try it out for dinner tonight. It's heavy. It comes with that Ninja reputation that you know and love. Checking out the other reviews, people seem to be really happy with this thing so far and really impressed with the Smart Finish function so that you can sync things up and be ready to eat on time all together. So that's all I have for now. That's just a quick product demo and an overview of the features. I hope it was helpful. Now I'm going to cook some food. Bye guys.